Hi guys, today we will talk about how to migrate to Wechat for PC on your Wechat app. We will go to figure out this edition or know how you can do that on your Wechat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take us to next window here like you say. Then you just you click here on settings and it's going to take us to next window here. Then you just click here on chats here, you click here on chats, then you click here on chat history migrations, then you come to this window, you click here on migrations, then you come to this window, you click here on migrate to Wechat for PC, you will click here and you click here on garage and you need to log into Wechat on your computer to continue your migrations. You just click here and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.